Damo, what are you doing back in the Hilux? Well, that's because the Raptor's been broken down. G'day guys, Damo here. Welcome to another Round the Fire video. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, g'day. Guys, I just want to do a quick channel update for you. It's been in Ford all week and I'm on my way to go and pick up the Raptor now. So we don't know what's wrong with it yet. I'll find out when I get there and what's taken Ford a week to get it fixed and sorted. Hopefully it's nothing too major. So what I did the other day is I jumped in the car and tried to start it and it wouldn't start, it just cranked over. So it threw a fault code up, a little fault code down the bottom, had a little spanner. I checked the manual said powertrain fault, full drive powertrain fault, contact your dealer immediately. So I did that. We ended up getting a service guy out to check it. They couldn't fix it there, so we ended up with a tow truck. The Raptor went on the tow truck and into Ford. That was Monday. So it's Friday now. They've just given me the call, come and grab her. So let's see how we go. All right, stay tuned. So we've got the big girl back. We're back in the Raptor. Just finished at Ford picking it up. So if you've been following along with the Instagram, the last thing that we posted up on there was this Raptor up on a tow truck getting sent away to the workshop. So turns out we'd run out of fuel. If you haven't seen it yet, the install of the 150 litre Brown Davis tank looks like there could be a little issue there with the fuel sender. Could be getting hung up somewhere because obviously the gauge is still reading about 43% fuel capacity. So the guys at TJM, I phoned them up. Those guys are bending over backwards. They've said bring it straight in. We will whip the tank out, we'll get it sorted and we'll check it all out for you. Unfortunately, I'm stuck in peak hour traffic right now trying to get over to those guys, so I don't think that'll happen today. I'll have to give them a call back and let them know, book it in for next week. So I think the plan is right now we'll just get this home. I'll get the dual battery installed this weekend. Obviously the car's been in the workshop for a week now, so it's put me a fair bit behind the schedule for preparing for this trip. We're literally less than 10 days I think for getting on this trip, so hope this fuel issue gets sorted. It's a little bit of a monkey on the back now. Will we make it through the trip without breaking down? Because it ran out of fuel, it threw a fault code and that fault code just didn't allow the car to keep going. So rating the Ford Raptor as a production ready off-road vehicle, there's no way to manually prime the fuel pumps. So if you're out bush and you happen to run out of fuel because you're relying on jerry cans or something like that to give you that little bit of extended range, and you forget to top it up, you think you got a little bit more than you have, you're stuck. So as far as this being an off-road ready vehicle, in my mind that's a big cross to get yourself out of trouble if that occurs. So something to keep in mind. I'm going to be looking into some sort of scan tool to add onto the vehicle to clear minor fault code. If you know of any good ones, drop it in the comments below and let me know. Save me a bit of time digging through the internet if you guys already know of something, and I'll check that out. That'd be greatly appreciated. So obviously whilst I was in the store there, the guys came through with the warranty claim on the tub liner. If you saw the video, what I don't like about the Raptor, I'll point out that the tub liner was bowed out, so I took that into Ford. Those guys said yep, no dramas, that's a warranty issue. They've fitted a new one in now, so that looks good. Hopefully that sagging issue doesn't come back again, but time will tell. That's where we're at right now. We're under the pump. Time is precious. We'll do the dual battery system this weekend. Hopefully we'll get that up. That'll be up for you guys to watch next week. It's a really cool product. I've actually been wanting to get one for a while, and it should be pretty easy to install. We'll see. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that brings you up to speed. If I've missed anything, leave it in the comment below. I normally get back to everyone fairly quickly. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. You.